Bear dozed off when selecting a range in Excel took way too long. Let us see if you do the same thing and how can we select it much more quickly. Bear needs to select this range and copy it into another worksheet. He starts selecting the range like this and it took him forever to reach the bottom. Well, 49 seconds to be exact. But still, let's learn how to do it within 1 second instead. To do that, we need a 3-key combination, and I will explain them separately. You first need to know how to navigate from one end of the cell to another. Press the Control key and don't let go. Now press the down arrow key just once. That will bring you to the last filled cell before a blank. This will work only if all your cells above are filled up. If data below is empty, pressing Ctrl down arrow key again will bring you to the last row in Excel. Go back to the last filled cell above by pressing Ctrl up arrow key. You can use Ctrl right arrow key too. It will go to the last cell on the right before a blank. If all cells are empty on the right side, pressing Ctrl right arrow key again will bring it to the last column in Excel. Press Ctrl left arrow key to go back to the last filled cell on its left. The next keyboard combination is the Shift and arrow key. Press and hold the Shift key. Now press the up arrow key once. This helps you select multiple cells one at a time. While still holding on to the Shift key, press right arrow key once. It now selects more cells to the right. Let's go all the way back up to cell A1. Press Ctrl Home to do that. We're gonna combine what we've just learned. Control with arrow key navigates from one end to the other. Shift with arrow key selects multiple cells one at a time. To select multiple cells from one end to the other is to press and hold Ctrl Shift key and press the down arrow key once. You will get it selected in less than a second. You can also use these keyboard shortcuts to look busy while doing nothing. Subscribe to our channel if you'd love to see more. Nothing more sincere than a naked bear asking for subscriptions.